You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce these names and more medical terms as well? Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Chemical compound pronounced as magnesium hydroxide. Stress on the second syllable of both words. Magnesium hydroxide. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.